Hi guys and welcome to the channel. My name's Mariella and my channel is In the Kitchen with Mariella. Hey, today I'm going to be cooking some lentils, frying some chicken, and I baked some baked potatoes yesterday and I'm going to cook them up. So, come on, let's get started. Okay, in my pot for my lentils, I have some chicken broth heating up. I have 4 cups of chicken broth. And I have 1 cup of rinsed lentils. So we're going to let them come up to a boil. And then we're going to turn them down. We're going to turn them down to simmer and put a lid on them. And we're going to cook them for about 20 minutes or until they get soft. So while we're waiting on that to come up to a boil, let's heat our skillet with some olive oil. And I got 1 really large chicken breast here. I'm going to cut this in half. I might just cut it in 4s. Cut it halfway this way and then that way. Because this thing is huge. Okay, so we got our chicken cut up into 4 pieces. So now I'm going to salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and some paprika. I'm going to turn this pan down just a little bit. Put our chicken in, season side down. And go back and season this side the same way. Now, if you wanted to make this a little spicier, you could add some cayenne pepper to it also. I ain't feeling no spice tonight. Okay, we're going to turn they ain't boiling yet. As soon as they start boiling, we will turn the fire down and turn the heat down and let them simmer. So I have 2 pre-cooked baked potatoes. If you watched my last video, you know why these are pre-cooked and refrigerated. And then I'm going to just go ahead and once my chicken's almost done, I'm just going to stick them in this skillet to heat them up and to give them a little color right in with the chicken. Oh, that's a pretty color on my chicken. Okay, our lentils are boiling. We're going to turn them down to simmer and let them simmer for 20 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and cook this chicken all the way done before I add the potatoes. So I will bring you guys back in just a few minutes. Okay, our chicken's done. So now I'm just going to add just a little bit more olive oil. And then we're just going to add our potatoes to the skillet that we cooked our chicken in. Because now our potatoes will pick up all that flavor from the chicken. Our lentils got about 12 minutes. So how was your guys' day? It was really nice here today. It's supposed to be nice up until Sunday, and then it gets cold again. Crazy Ohio weather. Almost 91 day and down into the 50s the next. Okay guys, our 20 minutes is up. Our lentils are done, so I'm going to add some of them to my plate. And there you have it. That is what's for dinner. So let's give it a try. I'm going to taste the lentils because I've never cooked lentils before. They're not bad. I buy this 15 bean soup mix and it has lentils in it. But by the time all the beans get done, the lentils are cooked up. So I've never actually had lentils that weren't completely disintegrated. I want to thank you all for watching the video. If you would, like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, leave a comment, and share my video. I would appreciate it. If you want, you can become a channel member by hitting that join button. If you would like to help support the channel, there's a link to Mining Buddy's Amazon wishlist and our PayPal account in the description box below. And as always, don't let anyone steal your sunshine or your smile. Have a good night, guys. Bye-bye.